bunch of birds in the sky. Not gonna lie. Oh, there's more birds over there. Thank you. So, I guess that's the introduction of this video. I really just wanted to show you the birds. I just wanted to show you the birds. Shoot, that's so much. That's a lot of birds in the sky, man. That's a lot of. It's crows. It's a lot of crows, I think. Shoot. Maybe their senses is telling them where they're going. Yo, how are you doing? You know, I mean, honestly, I don't know how you're doing. You're probably watching this video like, what is he even saying? You know, like, what is this guy even talking about? You know what I mean? But it's like, it wasn't planned. I just wanted to show you the birds. I mean, also, with that being said, you know, I could showcase the sky for real, because that's beautiful. That's really beautiful, actually. And we got the airplane in there, the airplane and the moon, actually. The sun's right there. Yeah, you're probably wondering. Bye, Nikki. You as well. But you're probably wondering, you know, what he just made this video for the birds, man. Yeah. Actually, believe it or not, I did. I wasn't even gonna make a video. Look at that seagull right above me. These seagulls right above. This what? Fine, trying to get some food, man. Look at them. They're fighting near the car, dude. Shoot. Look at that. Get away from me. Don't attack me. I didn't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. I still ain't do nothing. You know, it's a good day. You know, I was reading a book. Read a book a little bit today. And, you know, I learned about the pain body. And that is basically your emotional pain body. Like, I don't know. Like, you know how you grow up and, like, a whole bunch of these quote-unquote negative things. Well, yeah. These negative things happen to you. And, like, you have trauma from that. And you experience all that trauma and stuff. It's like, I was learning about that in my book. You should definitely read it. It's called A New Earth by, I think his name is Eckhart Tolle. A New Earth, The Power of Now, for real. I haven't finished it. I forgot. I honestly might be on like chapter 3 or 4. I read about the role playing, like the roles you play, the ego, how the ego plays a part in role playing and stuff, you know. Honestly, it's a really good book. I definitely recommend it. I really hope, you know, there's some people out here that watch my videos and listen to the things I say, but also read the book. Read the books that I suggest, you know, because it's like, it's really good. I suggested them. Anyways, with that being said, like, you know, that's it. No, that's not it. Also, yeah, I wanted to touch up on the thing that I said about how, you know, maybe the crow's senses are leading them somewhere. You know what I mean? Like, in the same way, maybe life is, you're using all your senses in life that takes you somewhere. But hey, what do I know? I don't even know. Shoot. But if you want, you could take heed of like the words I'm speaking to you and saying and stuff. And, anyways, yeah. I think I'm gonna end the video here, but honestly, I might, you know, make it more longer just to, you know, extend the video longer. Still on a path to bettering myself from my mental health. Joe, I don't even know what that means, bro. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's definitely a part of it. Like reading and writing in general, like that's gonna help too. But yeah, that's a big part of, I feel like that's gonna be a big part of the growth in my life, and most likely in yours, hopefully, if you read, you know. Gotta always read. Yeah. Wasn't really a planned video, but shoot, I think it's going really good. You know, I showed you guys the birds. Shoot, the birds is in the air. Oh, and earlier, the sun had a freaking circle rainbow on it. Sun had a freaking circle rainbow on it. It was a big circle too, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. With it being said, I'm going to end the video here. I don't got much else to talk about, but shoot. Hopefully when you go outside, there's gonna be birds up there flying in the sky, and if there's not, then you're not even worried about the birds, and you just worried about the, you know, situations in your life. Don't worry, because I am too. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, we all worried about these situations and stuff.
Thank you.
Yep. And yeah, man. Shoot, if that's not a priority to you, looking outside at birds, then hey, so be it. Sure. But make sure, if whatever is a priority to you, make sure that's the priority, you know? Like, cause I be thinking, like, I be having priorities that I need to work on. And then on the other hand, it's like, this the priority, but the other side is like things that I actually worry about, and I don't consider the priorities. I freaking focus on the things that's not a priority. Like, I don't prioritize my priorities. Like, what's up with that? Like, what's up with that? Like, not prioritizing your priorities, man. Instead you're prioritizing the opposite of your priorities. What is you doing? You know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, that's basically, you know, how's it going? Oh. Wow. Shoot. I want to be like showcasing outfits and stuff, though. Like, that would be so fun. Yeah. Look at this. Actually, you know what? Even if there's no birds in the sky, I want you to go look at the sky, man, because that's the one thing I feel like brings hope. I'm not gonna lie. And that's been like a big thing in my life, is like hope. Hope. But then again, there's been a lot of times where I've been unhopeful, dreadful of things, of situations. And with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh wait. Yeah. I love you guys. I love you all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss you all because, this video I gotta turn off the video and the recording. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather stream, stream and talk to y'all, man. Even though nobody watching my video. I mean, somebody's gonna be watching my video, I guess. But yeah. I love you. Even if I don't say it a lot. And that also means the people that I be seeing in real life, and that's really not in my life anymore. But you're still in my life. That means I love you. And as long as you was in my life for even 1 second, I love you, man. But it was Matt's World. Honestly, I'm thinking of trying to find a different name for this, because it's not just Matt's World, but it's my world too. It's Matt's world for real. But it's dang, your world. Wonder why the world was yours. You know what I mean? I forgot his name, but because I forgot his name, I can't really quote him. But enough of you guys hearing me yap. Enough of you guys hearing me yap. I'm gonna go end the video and do some more hard work that pertains me, or contains me. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go do some trash. There's no trash bags in those 2 trash out in the front, dude. It's annoying. It's actually pissing me off. Yeah, but I love you guys. I definitely said that over 10 times. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, peace. Matt's world and your world, and yeah.